In this video, I will be showing you how to use Grok on X. Let's get started. I begin on the clean and simple Grok homepage, taking a quick look at the interface. To get everything started, I guide my cursor to the top right corner and click the Sign In button. This redirects me to a secure login page where I select the Login with X option. A new screen loads right away, asking me to log into my account, so I move to the center and click the large black Login button. To make things easy, I choose the Continue with Google option. A pop-up window appears prompting me to choose an account. I select my primary Google account from the list. After making my selection, Google asks for permission to share my info with X, so I move down to the bottom and click Continue to grant access. The page redirects and asks for my birth date to verify my profile. I click the month drop-down and change it to October, then click the day drop-down and select 23rd. For the year, I scroll down through the list until I reach 2002 and click it. Once my birthday is completely set, I click the black Continue button at the bottom. Now it's time to set up my account information. I click into the full name field and type in my name. Then I move down to the username field and type in my preferred handle. Finally, I click into the password field and type in a secure password. With all my details filled out, I click the black Continue button. A browser notification pops up asking if I want to save the password, and I choose to ignore it by clicking No Thanks. On the Privacy Preferences page, I review the default setting and click Continue. The platform takes a moment to process my account setup. Next, I am prompted to pick my interests. I browse the options and click on Musica, and then I click on iSports to add it as well. With my categories chosen, I click Continue. The next step is to follow some top posters, so I look at the recommendations and click the Follow button next to Kulturang Tagahanga at Musica. After following them, I click Continue to proceed. The platform then asks me to set a profile picture, but I decide to click Skip for now. It also prompts me to secure my account with a passkey, which I also bypass by clicking Skip for now. On the notifications prompt, I guide my cursor to the top right and click Not Now to skip it. The main X platform loads, and I see my newly created homepage layout with the feed appearing. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.